Can you see my face? It was really fantastic, no way. Today we made a potato cannon out of some pipes that we found in a store. There is a main pipe, which will be the barrel, about 50 millimeters in diameter and 1.5 meters long, and some fittings as well as the explosions chamber. The price for all the pieces we bought was about 30 euros. If you want to use some spare parts you have at home to make it, go for some thick materials so when you shoot the back pressure cannot destroy anything. On the back, we are making this small hole in order to ignite the gas mixture from inside. The best way to ignite this would be to use a spark plug or something similar, but I don't have it now, so I will use a kitchen lighter. Here we're going to spray our body spray. This is a common one, the cheapest the better. You need to spray only a few times. Let's close the lid. So I made this projectile out of paper and tape. We're gonna use this one as the first projectile. On the back there's the hole from where we're gonna light it. From the front you can see the projectile we've made before. I'm going to wave it a little bit to mix the air. If the gases inside are well mixed, this cannon will shoot better and louder. Be careful, if you want to save your face from burning, you have to keep it away. Not like me, I forgot. Are you ready? Now I'm going to put some more spray. The first try was a complete failure as you've seen. 1, 2, 3. We will close the lid tightly. I will put it on the ground. Can you see?
Fra! Questa era bella. Questa era bella.
I found the projectile, it was a few meters away. Now let's do it again. This
Adesso
time I will
rifacciamo
hold
un
it
altro
in my
tiro,
hand.
però stavolta lo prendo io in mano. Sto fagli il video mentre gliela sparo a lui.
I found the test subject, so I will do the test on him. I think I will need some more gas. Now let's do it with the potato. We have changed the location. I will shoot on this side. I will put the potato directly in it.
Allora. Vediamo.
Let's use a firecracker fuse so we have some more time. This one goes here. No way, it was really fantastic. It was very loud.
Per lungo. Vai. Basta.
There was not enough oxygen. Blow? If you see my friend suffocating, it's because he inhaled some of these gases. You shouldn't do it. Yeah, there's some more left. What a smell.
Così, dillo con la mano così.
Io preferirei allontanarmi però dalla macchina.
No.
Basta. Perché se ce n'è troppo non va.
Aspetta, no, fermo. Bottiglia. Aspetta, brucia.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see some similar contents. See you.
Scotch non ha retto.